Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Alawa L Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am. I don't have.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
This is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to work being a domestic helper?
I want to help my family, ma'am, in financial issues.
But you know that being a domestic helper is a very tough job, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can handle it?
I can, ma'am. I can.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Good day, ma'am. I am Diana Esteban, 25 years old. I am married. I have three kids, and this is my first time to Malaysia. I am hardworking and responsible, ma'am. I am willing to learn how to cook Arabic foods and to help madam to prepare it. I know how to cleaning dining room, living room, bathroom, and I know how to cook. I love pets. I know how to ironing, washing clothes, and I know also how to gardening, and I love pets also.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first. And before that, this is Malaysia, okay? You were going to apply in Malaysia, am I right?
Yeah, yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Okay, so you are a married woman, right?
Ma'am.
When is your birthday?
March 29, ma'am.
Pardon?
March 7, 1999.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 47.5 kilograms now.
What is your religion?
I am Iglesia ni Cristo,
What is your
INC.
Okay, what is your educational background?
I am a college level only.
You mentioned that you got three children. How old are those children?
My firstborn is 6 years old, already grade one, and my secondborn is 4 years old, and my last baby is 2 years old, mom.
So, what is your husband occupation and how old is he?
My husband is 27 years old now, and he is a junior salesman, ma'am.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have problem later.
No, ma'am, nothing.
How many brother and sister do you have and what is your rank in your family?
I am the first born child, and I have one sister and two brothers. We're all three.
Okay, what about your parents' occupation and how old is your parents?
My father is 54 years old, ma'am. He is a PWD, a bedridden, and my mother is a farmer.
Okay, so do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Here, in Pasig, ma'am, I worked there when I stopped studying college.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
20, 2020, 2018, 1920, no, 2020 to 2023, ma'am.
2020 to 2023. You worked there for 3 years.
Yes, ma'am. But I, it's not,
Can you share
Sometimes I go home.
can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment for 3 years?
My employer is what do you call this? Pharmacist, ma'am.
Okay.
My pharmacist, and I know how to cook, and I clean their house, and
Okay.
I'm a babysitter of their kids, one of them.
How old is the
And
child that you take care?
three, ma'am, three, 3 years
3 years
old.
old. Okay. Did you cook laundry and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am, I know. I know how to laundry and to cook
I mean,
also.
when you work in Pasig, did you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
While taking care of a 3 years old child, is it?
Yes, ma'am. But my employer not only not only me taking care of the baby, but she also take care of her baby when she's vacant.
Okay, but in other words, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and take care child lah, which is 3 years old.
Yes, ma'am. But we're three there. We're companion there three. We're all three.
Okay, so being a domestic helper, as I have mentioned, it is very tough. It is not that so easy that once you go back home, you can easily go back home. No such a thing because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Okay?
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile and phone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you really okay with our terms and conditions?
Ma'am.
Yeah, as I have mentioned, we don't force people to come here. If you disagree, then better stay in the Philippines so that you cannot give us trouble and you don't give trouble also for yourself, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so we don't want to have like once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about all these things. No such a thing because in our initial interview, I already clarify and to make it clear myself that you agree about our terms and conditions. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Ma'am, I'm okay with that.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Ma'am, I can.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Ma'am.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How do you normally handle your homesickness, knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your family? What will you do once stress and homesickness strikes you?
I will just think positive, ma'am, and just pray.
Okay.
All.
So always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, okay? You know that Philippines is really drastically down, right? You know that? So you
Yes,
don't have
ma'am.
any choice but to work abroad, to apply abroad because we don't given a chance or an opportunity to work there due to the qualifications. The standard is quite high also. Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. The
so always
salary is.
remind, yeah, the salary also is very small. So always remind yourself that why you wanted to go abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. Okay? This is not the
Ma'am.
Philippines. Don't bring the ways that you did in the Philippines here in Malaysia because it's different one. In Philippines,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can do whatever you want, but here, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. You need to respect the employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer. Yeah,
Okay, I understand.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Thank
Okay, ma'am.
you.
Ma'am.